Customized cabinetry and kitchen installation. Cabinets are one of the essential elements that must be taken into consideration when you are planning on kitchen installation. It is where you store all your stuff from foods to many different tools. You can definitely have customized cabinetry that is designed according to your preferences. Yet, prior to hiring the services of people concerned, below are the few important things that you must pay attention to so that you can ensure that you get only the best. First, you need to determine where you will place your cabinets. They can be situated either at the bottom or at the top. In order to help you arrive in an informed decision, you need to consider the members of your households. If you have kids at home, you may need to opt for top cabinets that are out of their reach, yet not so high that you could not reach it either. If you will settle for cabinets below, it would be a good idea to have a toe room so that the handles would not keep you from the butcher board.